want to delete or clear or remove your all Facebook search history. So let's see. In this time I can show fast process or fast method. So first of all, go to your Facebook. After that, open your Facebook account. So in this way, you can easily clear or delete or remove your all Facebook search history. So let's see. After that, three dot line, click on it. Scroll down. Choose and open settings and privacy. After that, choose and select settings. Click here. Choose and select see more in account center. Click on it. Scroll down. You can see your information and permissions. Open it. You can see search history. So choose and select search history. Open it. After that, choose and select your Facebook profile. In this way, I can see or find or check my all Facebook search history. So in this way, I can easily delete or clear or remove all Facebook search history. So let's see. After you can see cross icon, click on it. After that, click here. So in this way, you can easily delete or clear or remove your Facebook search history. In this way, I can show another way or second way. If you want to delete or clear or remove your all Facebook search history at once. So let's see. After that, go back. Go back. After that, you can see search bar. Open it. In this here, you can see my all Facebook search history. So in this, I can easily delete or clear or remove all Facebook search history. After that, you can see all. So choose see all. Click here. After that, right top corner, clear all. Click here. Clear all searches and visits. This will remove your entire search history on every device. You can't undo it. You can see two options, cancel or clear all. In this time, you can choose and select clear all. Click here. You can see nothing to see here. That's mean I can easily delete or clear or remove all Facebook search history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.